What's up, kid? Here we are, the Springfield Moxy, or Moxy Springfield in Springfield, Missouri, room 408. Let's take a tour. So this room I picked specifically because I've never seen anything like it. And that is one with a bunk bed. So we have a bunk bed when you walk in. Two twin beds. They did it all right though. I mean, they got outlets over here on the side. Outlets up there on the top bunk. Looks like it's fitted nice. They got a ladder here. So, interesting. We have a little tote bag that you can use, or you can purchase it for $75 if you really like it. But you can use it while you're here. I guess this is a little nightlight or a little lantern of some kind. Yeah, like it does come off. Yeah, so you can't really tell in there. I think you can a little bit, but it does actually light up. There we go. And then even more outlets right over here. So that's kind of cool. Mirror, hangers. This is it's gonna pull that off, and you can put your luggage on top of that rack there. It does have two TVs. So it's got a little one here and then a little one or a bigger one over there. It's kind of funny because if you stand right where I am, if I use the remote, it will actually turn both of them. So I mean, presumably if you have two people watching stuff, they're watching the same thing with the sound on anyway. But a little desk area here, not huge, obviously. Not really meant for work. But can get a little bit done. Does have an outlet and a light that rotates, so you can spin that. And then like another little table that you could put stuff on for more space. Thermostat here. Let's turn this bad boy down. Get that fan going. There we go. All right. So light right here. This one controls this front room. And then when this light goes on, there's a little night light over there in the right corner. Over here is a king bed. So outlets over on this side. And I'm guessing on that side. Yep. Outlet, telephone, old school phone. Or I guess a new school, old school phone. So it's actually digital, but it kind of looks like a rotary phone. Does have another remote. Another light. And then does have a little rack up here that you can put like phones and things like that. So tight space. Pretty good use of space, honestly. Pretty good TV. I mean, it looks awesome from sitting down here. So no issues there. And then outside, you can see we are in the city of Springfield. So you can see some stuff over there. I have no idea what this stuff is. Never been here before. Some more stuff over here. Looks like there's a church, a couple of churches maybe. Right down the street, there was a distillery, a brewery, some other restaurants and things like that. So it seems like a good place as far as if you're down through this area. Let's go into the bathroom. We have a couple of glasses. We have hand wash, the big bottle there. Towels for 3. Tissues, toilet paper, and then the shower itself. Shower floors a little discolored, but no real complaints. Does have a wand as well as the overhead. The walls, everything looks pretty clean. Inside, we got a little mismatch. There we go. Some Corez shampoo and conditioner, and then whatever that one is. 5 wits. Yeah, 5 wits. Shower gel. And the towels. They did mention when I checked in that there's a stash spot by the ice maker where you have other towels and things like that. So plenty of towels there. Kind of a little exposed brick here, I'm guessing, from the original columns there. But yeah, good little spot. It's really funny. You actually check in at a bar. So there's no like front desk. You go to the bar and you check in. They do give you a little chip for checking in for a free cocktail as well. But yeah, that's it. It's the Moxy Hotel here in Springfield, Missouri. Until next time.